You don't say. If you ever seen my flex or you just been demonetized away. Is that true? I wasn't aware that was something that YouTube would do. I'm perplexed. Are they gonna keep on changing the rules for our channels? If so, what's next? There's nobody else on the site who flexes against our world though. Huh? Mr. Beast? I know him. That can't be. That's that awesome guy who does charity. All those videos. How many? Who subscribed? That's in millions. 59.5. Memes will rise. Haters fall. Next to Nux, no one has the balls. I'm alone, but watch me flex. I will always keep you guessing what the hell I'm gonna do next. Da 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 ya da 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 da. Toxic to toxic, wholesome to wholesome. Good luck.